Hey world, you see, Bangladeshi police cannot say our right. You see, Bangladeshi police hand our mouth stop. He cannot say our right. You see, and Bangladeshi police he is a journalist. You see, their hand a camera. You see clearly. You see clearly their hand a camera. He's a journalist, but Bangladeshi police, you see, Bangladeshi police, they cannot share their rights, photo and video. You see clearly. So we are Bangladeshi people, we are Bangladeshi student, we are Bangladeshi general people want free Bangladesh.